Ever wished you could magically get a list of every single file in a folder right into Excel? It's honestly simpler than you think, and it's a game changer for keeping your digital life organized. Let's get started by navigating to the folder containing the files you want to list. For this example, we'll use a folder named Project Documents. Now, click in the address bar at the very top of the File Explorer window. You'll see the path to your folder highlighted. Copy this entire path, the text that shows you exactly where your folder is located. Open up a brand new Excel workbook and go to the first cell, cell A1. Right-click in cell A1 and paste the folder path you just copied. Now, head over to the Data tab in Excel. Look for the Get and Transform Data group. Click on Get Data, then hover over from File, and select from Folder. A window will appear. Click the Browse button so you can locate your folder again. Navigate to and select the same folder you were just listing files from, and click OK. A folder window will now show you a preview of the files. Don't worry about the details here. Just click the little down arrow next to the Combine button and select Combine and Transform Data. In the Combine Files window, you'll likely see a drop-down. Make sure Sample File is selected, and then click OK. Power Query Editor will open, showing you all the file information. We're primarily interested in the name column, which has our file names. Right-click on the header of the name column and choose Remove Other Columns. Now, head up to the Close and Load button. Click the little down arrow next to it and choose Close and Load to. In the dialog box that appears, make sure Table is selected and then choose Existing Worksheet. Click OK. And there you have it, a perfect list of all your file names, directly in Excel, ready for cataloging, organizing, or whatever else you need to do.